Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So we're back on the K8, which got it back from paint. Colour match is pretty bang on. As you can see inside, still needs probably airbag kit back. There's the airbag kit. I'll take the steering wheel off, ready to just get cracking. So we need to get this front end put back together first. Let's get the front panel on, bumper on, headlights in, and then I'm going to crack on with the airbag kit. Pretty straightforward build. So, as you can see, that's bolted the leg, front panel's on, solid. We just need a couple of bolts at the top, a couple more bolts on the top of that one. We need to pull that off back a little bit. Then a few wires. All we've got is, I'll just get down here, we've got one pipe needs to go on. Just push that on. Pipe clip. Should have, what have we got? A couple of fan wires. On this side we've got a bonnet cable in the centre. Can't actually remember how that goes on, but we'll figure that out. Got, here's the horn up. It goes into one of them. Looks about right. Vent headlight. Washer bottle stuff, I think. Washer bottle goes in this area just there. Remember, it was damaged from the last video, so we take that off. So pretty simple stuff. A lot of people asking how do we remember where everything goes on these, but as you can see, everything only really fits to where it goes. So like, if you look, you know, like, let's have a look. Goes through there. Through the hole, clips into that cable carrier, down here, so if I do this in the camera, clips in there, and then you see the bumper, let's say it goes there, so there we go. It's that simple. Let's say it only fits to where it fits. Same with, let's just say bring it down here. There we are. So it's a big plug, fits there. Another one. I'm not sure where that one goes yet. So you can see. Assuming we'll have another. Oh, there we go. Again, one-handed. This is going to be quite difficult. See the plug here. It's literally been, say, 3-4 weeks since I've taken this apart. So I'm actually still remembering myself where stuff goes. So what's that one out of? Not sure what that one's out of. That could actually be, it could be a fog light that. Yeah, the one has got fog lights. See? So that'll be a fog light wire, I imagine. See this side we've got. We've got aircon from this somewhere, it's remembered. So pipes, aircon, pipes, okay. So the aircon, oh, tight, there we go. So there's a seal missing from here, which is a bit of a pain. Oh, because I'm on my yard, I've actually got the parts car here, so that's going to see if that seal's on the other car before we bolt that back up. Oh, that's handy, there's the seal we need. I'll show you the state of this parts car now. State of this. the black car I showed you in the last video. Just saw quite a few parts of it, so the gearbox out of it, so the wheels off it, so the suspension off that side. Just saw quite a few parts. But we still got the rest of the car, we'll buy another KA. So, back in this car. So the seal is literally just a hard rubber seal really, just fits into that gap there, and you can see the lower pipe's got its seal, so if we just put that over there, just like that, they both just fit into the holes, like that. And this is like a compression fit, so we just put one bolt in here, holds tight. Here's our box of bolts. This is all the bolts out to the front end of the original car. So, making for that's how many bolts we've got to fit for this one. There we go, that's the bolt. You see, they're always like that on these cars. So, that'll fit in there. That will be 10. Okay, now there we go, that fits on there. So that's literally how fast to get back together. Right, that's an awkward part. Okay, wow, it's lined up well. That's crazy. So there's a pipe in here. Let's just see if you can see that. Right, so these are clip release pipes. They are. So they have a little horseshoe clip. So let's just see. I'll be able to record this for you on my own. Let's see if I can put that there. Balance this. Yeah. Not really. Anyway, the pipe will go on one way, so you have to get it on. You have to give it a really good wiggle to get them on. See the little bit at the bottom, just here? That all needs to be inside this pipe, all of it. So let's just see if we can get that in. You see that's in? Okay. Here's the clip. These are a nightmare if you lose them. So I think it went down from the top. I'm doing now. I can see what I'm doing a bit better. That's firmly locked on. You see that? Yeah, perfect. Right, so I think we'll put the water bottle on next. It's a bit boring, it's only 2 bolts. One bolt in here, one bolt in there. This, that pipe, maybe this pipe. Yeah, that looks about right, to be honest. So I'll put them on and I'll get back to you in a second. There we go, it literally took 1 minute, and as you can see, like I was saying before, everything only kind of fits to where it fits to. As you can see, pipes clip in, one plug, again, fog light wire, headlight wire. I mean, this is simple stuff. I mean, this is DIY at home, simple sockets, a tiny bit of common sense really. I mean, this is almost as simple as it gets for home repairs. So I think headlights next. I'll get you back on the tripod, we'll get the headlights in, front bumper on, can put the water pipe on that side, while we've got the headlights out so it'll be easier to get to the clip. That should be it really, and maybe crack on with the airbags. So I'll get you back on the time lapse. Brackets, and now you can see these The bolts are a little bit rusty, but see the marks from when we were straightening the car. So one thing I'm going to do, for the time it'll take me, I might just paint these in satin black now. So if we do that, it's just going to tie them up. They're not going to look out of place being satin black. This one's fine. But for the time it takes just to cover up this area, and just hit them with a little bit of satin black. I think it'll just tidy the whole visual up of the car. So little things like that. Some people are gonna, it doesn't look great. So I thought they actually would have fixed it in the paint shop for me, to be honest. So I'll just get back to you once I've just done that. So I've just painted them, as you can see. To be honest, I just used what I had around. Kind of a plan to, I didn't really plan on doing this, but I painted, also went and took 8 matching bolts out of this BMW I'm breaking, so that these 8 bolts are going to match. They've got nice fixed washers, so once they go on, I've actually painted the rails up as well. You see them, once it dries out it's satin, so they should just look exactly like they were new. And then the bolts, so you just like put around. So just gotta wait for paint to dry. So back on the front of this, paint's dried now. It's nice, looks all fresh. They look great. Peel that off. It's crude, but it worked. Crude, but it worked. That's it, no overspray or anything. Front panel looks fresh. Bolts look fresh, that's what we want. So I'll take them out. Right, I'm going to set this tripod back up. Let's get this front end built back up. So, well time to put the bumper on, see where we're at.